In my first video, I showed you how to make a PDF version of a scanned document. But what if you want to look at something like a whiteboard or a document and you only have the print version or a PDF version? Well, the great thing is you can actually make it editable by using Office Lens as well. So if I had notes on a whiteboard, I could literally select whiteboard, hold my device up to that whiteboard, and it will turn printed text, as long as it's not too messy, into typed text or typed notes. But I'm going to stick with document here, if I can just get it to go there. For some reason I'm having some difficulties. Cheese willikers. Oh. There we go. And I'm going to scan my document exactly the same way as I did before. And in exactly the same way as it will process it and do its best to convert it. Now, what's going to be different happens after the Done button. And you'll notice I didn't bother to turn it into black and white. I could have, but I didn't need to. Again, I'm going to change the name of this file so that I'll be able to recognize it by something much better than just the date and time. I'll just call it test file for us. And I'm going to convert it now to a Word file right here instead of to a PDF. It'll transfer it, and you can see that if you look at the bottom left-hand column of that, or bottom left-hand corner of that little saved icon, it says the name of the file and it shows you the Word icon. I'll click on it and look what happens. Instead of opening as part of the Lens program, it actually opens up as Word now, and I could save it to my device and go and open it on my computer, but just for the sake of this screen recording, I'm doing it this way. So you can see that it's captured all of what I had typed, and anything that's a bit of a glitch is highlighted. Sometimes it doesn't pick something up and it keeps it as a picture, but it's way easier to edit the one or two things than it is to try and type out a whole new paper. So I can select part of the text if I want to. I can erase, I can edit into it, and so it's really quite convenient. Now let's say I want to save this. Well, guess what? If you're using the Office SharePoint OneDrive, it automatically is saving it under the same name. But what if I want to submit this as a PDF? I go to Export. You'll see where I turned on this function at the top, Export, and I tell it I want it to be a PDF. And then it's going to let me change the name if I want to. I'll save it to the OneDrive file. For some reason my son's OneDrive file is open right now, but that's okay. And it'll automatically go there so that I can share it with me or share it with a teammate or keep it for later on. Okay, hopefully that's helpful. That's a bit more advanced, but that just saves you a bit of time if you want to type into a document that